Are you kicking Daddy?
You funny. Pinky toes. Hi. Why won't you laugh on the camera? Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing, big boy? Oh, where did you go?
He's really kicking you.
So yeah, you got a soft belly to play with. Soft belly. Yeah. Soft belly. Big cheese. Oh. What? Hi. Hi, handsome. Oh. Did you see that?
What?
Look what he's got in his hand.
Did you get your pinky?
It was on my bed and I picked it up. Oh. Nope, it's not in your hand no more. You're so funny. If you're happy, you know, clap your hands. Or kick your legs. Or try to clap your hands. Oh. If you're happy, you know, clap your hands. Yes. What are you doing? Oh.
He's really kicking you.
Should we finish this off? Oh, done. No, it took 65. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Kick your legs.
Aww.
Clap your feet.
Is Daddy playing with you?
Clap your hands. Roll down. Wait, let's play pancake. Pancake. Pancake as fast as you can. Roll it. Pat it. And mark it with the end. And throw it in the other thing now and me. Yeah. Are you playing pancake with your feet? Roll them. Pat them. Mark it with the end.
He's playing patty cake, honey.
I know,
You see that?
somebody's got some toe fuzz. Look at that toe fuzz. Yucky. Duck fuzz. Hi.
Tickle him.
What are you doing?
Okay, see if he'll do it.
You clap your hands. You do this. You wave high. Hi. No, so you know I can kick my legs though. I'm gonna be a little kickboxer. You're being a good boy. Can you get the piggy? Get the piggy. Get the piggy. Touch the piggy. Lift your arm and touch the piggy. Yeah, that's touching the piggy. Yeah, you're doing smile for mama. And put this on your hand. on your hand. There's a pig on your hand.